Security tabletop exercises are a great way to highlight gaps in the security and protection of your customer's environment, but building security tabletop exercises that are specific to each individual customer can be a very time-consuming process. So let's look at it and see how Enzo can help us with this instead. So we've opened up Enzo in our asset view. We're going to pop in our question, which is to build an interactive HTML tabletop exercises for Kelltic Cider Company, focused on a ransomware attack caused by undetected lateral movement. The client does not have EDR or other methods of detecting lateral movement within their environment as such. So we're going to go ahead and run that prompt. And we can see now Enzo's going to think about it for a few moments, and then here it goes, generating our HTML code as such. Now, while this generates here, we can pop this into full screen mode. We can see our previous chat histories, and we can hide this information here as well. So Enzo has now created the code we need for our security tabletop exercise. We're simply going to copy that into a text file, save it as a HTML, and we can launch it. We're going to end up with something that looks like this within your own environment. And this obviously is tailored specifically for this individual customer as well. So we have our exercise overview, the objectives of the exercise, the different participant roles, the current security posture that they have within their own environment, and the ground rules for this particular exercise. We go ahead and click on begin, and we can see then we can take ourselves through this security exercise. So if we were to build this manually for a particular customer, it would take hours of work, if not days of work, to tailor it to their environment. With Enzo, we can do it in mere minutes.